Foster Farms plant in Livingston remains shut down after hundreds of employees tested positive for COVID-19, 8 of them dying. The health department calling it the most severe COVID-19 outbreak in Merced County. Arshana Kalafi takes us to a candlelight vigil held tonight in honor of the victims and families impacted by this outbreak.
This vigil was dedicated to those 8 lives lost and the hundreds of families affected by this outbreak, with the message that not only is their work essential, but their lives are too.
It is apparent that Foster Farms does not care for the workers, many of whom are parents, grandparents, sons, and daughters of the communities here in the Central Valley.
As of Saturday, 392 employees at the Foster Farms Livingston facility have tested positive for COVID-19, and 8 have died.
Everybody that I know knows someone that works at Foster Farms. We all love somebody that works at Foster Farms, and so all of our families in some way or another have been impacted by this.
Tonight, a candlelight vigil to honor the lives lost and the hundreds of families affected by the outbreak.
It's no coincidence that at the same time that they had their outbreak, their irresponsibility, that the broader community suffered, and they will continue to suffer. We will continue to suffer if Foster Farms is not held accountable.
Valencia says in addition to more testing, PPE, and monthly inspections, the company also needs to decrease production in order to protect the employees.
They cannot maintain social distance in that company the way that those lines require workers to work, right? It's not only are people standing across from each other or next to each other, but they're also on a time limit. You have to pull a certain amount of chickens during a minute. No amount of protective equipment, no amount of testing is going to solve that issue.
The partial closure here at Foster Farms is supposed to end next week, but if their testing and cleaning efforts don't meet the requirements from the health department, that closure could be extended. Reporting in Livingston, Shauna Kalafi, KSEE 24, local news that matters.